Welcome to Tenby Setia Eco Park Health and Safety Awareness Day. This is our first Health and Safety Awareness Day. We hope by having an event like this that everybody can come along, they can learn a bit, check their health, and also they can just understand that as a community, we can all help each other and look after our own health and safety.
This Health and Safety Awareness Day happening in school is very important because this is the place where we actually educate people. Parents who come here with their kids actually not only helping the kids to expose themselves about this awareness, they can also actually spread this awareness to their friends and family members outside the school.
It's a good day event held by the school because they brought in a lot of vendors, because sometimes when we are working parents we don't get the chance to actually to go. So when they brought in, we get to try them and get to know what they are and all that.
I think the most fun thing was the ride.
Yeah, with the fire truck.
The fire truck.
Yeah.
I think that's something that we have never once done it. So it's
Thanks
fun.
to Tenby.
It's a good exposure.
Setiap tahun kita kena ada peringatan tentang kesilapan kebakaran ini sebab malang tidak berbau. Bila-bila saja boleh berlaku kemalangan ataupun kebakaran. Jadi memang pentinglah untuk kita datang ke sekolah-sekolah, kerja organisasi dengan menyebarkan kesedaran kebakaran.